50 years have passed since mankind made an extraordinary attempt, and now space has become a reality, not a dream. And the era of new space has started. The space industry, which used to be operated by the state, has now shifted over to private companies such as SpaceX. And with the miniaturization and standardization of satellite components, small to micro satellites are rapidly being launched for commercial purposes. Even as we speak, there are thousands of satellites in orbit that are constantly collecting and producing data which are received from ground stations on a daily basis. And we estimate that more than 40,000 small satellites will operate in space in the near future. A countless number of satellites will be launched from all over the world, and these satellites will be served with CONTEC's ground stations to provide more related services to the customers. Established in 2015, CONTEC is led by the CEO Sung-hee Lee, who worked in Kerry for 16 years, and has teams of experts with extensive experience in the space industry, including satellite launches, satellite control and operation, and satellite image processing. With these professionals, CONTEC is able to provide all solutions required downstream. Based on the experience of in-house development and operation of related software and hardware, we provide a wide range of services from the ground station data receiving, satellite image pre-processing, and to the satellite image application. All services offered by CONTEC have been developed as a web platform, which provides excellent security and a user-friendly interface. Furthermore, by establishing the first privately owned commercial ground station in Jeju Island in 2020, CONTEC became the only service provider of satellite data reception and transmission in Korea. With such excellent technology and experience, we get continuous inquiries from global companies in the US, Sweden, Japan, and more. And we possess IPRs for technology related to ground station and image processing services. In order to satisfy the rapidly increasing demand for satellite data application, CONTEC categorizes the service model into 3 levels to meet the user's needs. First, we receive a request for satellite data from a satellite operator. Then, every time a satellite passes over the addressable reception range of CONTEC's ground stations, we receive the data and deliver it to the satellite operator. Such receiving service from ground station is provided on a web platform to deliver the collected data to the customer. During this stage, we can perform pre-processing of the received data by applying calibration and validation algorithms to correct any distortion in the image data. In addition, we can detect changes in a specific area and objects such as buildings and roads within the satellite image by applying deep learning algorithms. From this service, we can monitor unauthorized buildings in smart cities, detect changes in a city, analyze statistics, and more to provide the necessary information through our web-based satellite image application service platform. CONTEC plans to build the first commercial launch site in Asia and launch its own satellite to constantly supply and make use of satellite imagery. Moreover, CONTEC will focus on FSO technology, which enables flawless communication between satellites and ground stations, and beamforming array antennas for multiple satellite tracking, which will lay the foundation for the growth of local space industry. CONTEC's ultimate goal is to launch satellites made by CONTEC at CONTEC's commercial launch site and receive data through CONTEC's ground station and become the only space company in the world to provide a total one-stop solution. Thank you.